Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing kangaro center pinning center pinning stapler. Model is HD23L24FL. This can pin up to 250 pages. Let's unbox the package. This is the device guys. Now let's see pin a book and see the performance. Here you can see a table has been given. This is a guide to see which pin is required for how many pages, and all the data is been given here. Let's load the pin. These are bigger pins. Here a guide has been. We have to open this like this and push back according to our length. This is up to 21 centimeters. This can pin up to A3 page center. See this page. Here you can see that there is a moving thing. That is the lock. We have to take to the back and lock there. Let's see. Here you can see the pin has been centrally pinned, and you can see the back is also been pinned. That's it guys. That is my unboxing and review of kangaro stapler. Thank you. Thanks for watching.